Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the anti-roll bar linkages on this Vauxhall combo van. The reason why we are changing it is we are hearing the loud banging noise when the car hits the pothole. Uh, so the main suspect is the linkage here, this one here. So when they get worn out, that's where the noise comes from. Okay, so that's what we're gonna replace. So just gonna crack on with it. In order to remove these two 15mm bolts, we're just gonna use an impact gun. Okay, so before we do that, we're gonna apply plenty of WD-40 on them. There we go, that's the top one removed. For the bottom one, we're just gonna use a ratchet because it's really hard to get to it. Right, as you can see, the whole ball joint is spinning. So either we can lock the spin with the spanner, or the other thing is we can put a Allen key here, in here. Okay, see the slot here? We can slide in Allen key here to lock the pin from turning, so that we can take the nut off. Right, we're gonna use HW5 key to lock the pin. We're just gonna slide it in here. There we go, friends, that's the bottom and the top part of the linkage disengaged. Right friends, just gonna show you why we are changing it. There's a play in it, and when I push it in and out, there's a knocking noise. So that's what's causing it to knock when the car hits the pothole. So just gonna change it for like. Okay friends, this is our new car. We're using QH parts. So there isn't any arrow, so it can go either way. So just gonna secure the bottom linkage first, just like that. Well, I'm not gonna fully secure it, just to rest it like that. And now we're just gonna do the top one. Okay, so this pin, we're just gonna bend it a bit. So we're just gonna use a longer socket, this one here. So just gonna bend it downwards like that. There we go. The nut goes in. Okay, so just gonna tighten the top mount first. That's the top one secured nicely. And now we're gonna do the bottom one. And for the bottom one, we're gonna use the ratchet. Right, friends, so the rest we're gonna do it with the spanner. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna here we go, like that. So we're gonna lock the pin. There we go. So that's nicely secured. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna do our final. There we go. There we go, friends. That's fully secured. There we go, friends. The new drop linkage on this Vauxhall combo van is fitted in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.